wanted Grandpa to get a new van. But I don't know. I don't think he's too enthusiastic. But I guess the old truck and the old car will do for a while. 'Cause Grandma don't drive anymore. I wanted Grandpa to get a new car. Here I am like this. And you know what? I want to go get one. I'll get my own if he don't. But you know what? He said, this truck's good enough for me. Grandma don't drive no more. So he can't drive car and truck both. So he said, no more new vehicles. So I guess I'm sad. Oh, I gotta rest. Ooh. Grandpa, it's gonna be your birthday. You could have a new car or a new van or anything. Maybe an ice cream cone for your birthday. How many birthdays? 80. 80 birthdays. Oh, well, he caught up with me now. Me and him both got 80 birthdays. He says, Grandma, you don't even drive anymore, so why would we get a new car? Just for me to drive? I can't drive my truck and the car both. Or a van. I like a van. But he says, no, go get your driver's license.
Well, you could threaten to start driving.
Yeah, I think I will.
Be like, I'll drive us right off a hill if you don't get a new car.
I'm going to see if I go look at him anyway.
Yeah.
But I don't think he will. He's a stubborn man. Stubborn man, but that's okay. We don't know how long we'll be driving anyway, so why buy a new car? Or a new van, or anything new. But I got somebody else won't be long be driving. Maybe they drive us around. Grandpa, hey, we want a new van.
I don't want no new van.
You don't want no new van?
No.
Why?
Too much money.
I'm going to start driving.
Oh, no. That'd be bad news.
I've already started driving you nuts.
I know it. I am nuts. I am nuts. Yeah.
Well, Grandma, maybe.
I'm the cameraman there.
Well, Grandma, maybe you should go ahead and like give him some kind of incentive for getting a new car.
Oh, some money?
Money?
Yeah.
I'm broke now.
Is that why we can't get a new car?
Right on.
Oh
Want
my.
no new car.
Well, a van then.
Van?
Or a tractor.
Tractor, yeah.
A tractor? Oh no. I can drive a tractor though.
Gotta go.
Oh, you do? Well, bye.
Bye.
We'll talk about it later. So we'll discuss it later. When you're having a nightmare, we'll discuss it too, and then you'll say yes. Oh, I know how to work Grandpa. I don't think Grandpa wants a new car because he says, that truck runs good, and you know, it's pretty. That's the best thing. It's pretty, and just the color I wanted. So, anyway, I guess we'll just stay with that. But, boy, if my car goes out, I'm going to get fixed. Because I like it. I like it, really like it. So, I'm fixing buttered potatoes for supper. I hope he likes it. I think he will. He likes it.
Say goodbye, Grandma.
Goodbye, Grandma. Goodbye, Grandma. Goodbye, Grandpa. We'll do this another day.